Hello, this video is going to talk about how to use Studio feature in Canvas to make new video, and we'll be introducing some video feature we can use. There are three ways to make new video. The first one is using screen or webcam to record the video. Second one to drag and drop the file or browse the computer to look for a file to upload it to Canvas. The third one is simply copy and paste the YouTube link and upload it to Canvas. Now we have the Canvas page open. Let's click on the studio icon on the main menu bar. Let's go to the record button on the top right and click on screen capture. Now we need to download the screen capture application to enable the screen capture. Click download. We're gonna skip through the download process and let's go back to the web page. Click on record again, screen capture. Open screen recorder launcher. After the application is on, we can choose the narration resource. Click on it and we can switch between the sources. We can also change the size of the recording screen. Also, we're able to switch the screen between screen and webcam, and we can do both of them showing at the same time. We will cancel this for now and go back to record and choose webcam capture. In the webcam, we can switch around the mic source as well as the webcam source and click on start recording. Since it's for testing, we're gonna finish the video now. If it doesn't like the video you take, you can always start over. Now let's look at other method of uploading new video. Click on add, browse file, find the file you want in your computer, and click open. The last way to add a video is through YouTube. You copy a YouTube link and paste it in the box. Click add. And these are the three ways to make new video. Once we have the video ready, we can perform several features on it. By hovering over the video, you can click on the view page. When we scroll down, we can see there are details, comments, insights, and captions. Let's go to detail first. In detail, it will show the uploader's name, the uploading date, and the name of the video. And we can click on edit details. There will be title, description, and text we can add it onto the video. Click on save. The comment section can let the video owner to see who commented at what second. For example, I can see I commented at this second, commented 1 second comment. On the Insight tab, we can see which part of the video which person watched. For example, I have watched all of the video, so it will show all blue. Last but not least, captioning. Studio will automatically make a caption for the video, and we can also upload the caption file if you already has. And we can see there are a couple more language you can choose from. For example, Chinese, Turkish, Russian, Spanish. And here are a few buttons that will be useful. For example, this is volume, and this is the speed of the video. Closed captioning, we can choose English, and we can see comments while the video goes on. For example, it will be like
testing one.
On the 1 second mark, we'll see there's a 1 second comment. And we can set the quality of the video or make it full screen. This will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching.